Welcome in once again to the DBS Fresh Off the Press community, guys. Welcome in. Don't forget, we have a Yu-Gi-Oh channel as well, successful at over 4,000 subs. We're just trying to branch off, guys, grow this brand new DBS channel, man, with the release of Fusion World. We're at 21 subs, man, on our way, grinding our way to success, grinding our way to triple digi subs. If you want to join the movement, don't miss out. If you're watching, subscribe. It really does help out. So you can stay tuned with our latest and greatest market watch updates, guys. Guys, the markets are crazy. One day is spiking up into new all-time highs into oblivion, and then another day, the next day, is crashing back down into the dumpsters, guys. It's just been crazy what's been going on with these markets. Last market watch, we went over our sealed product buyouts, just craziness with the starter decks, with the boxes, excuse me, guys, things of that nature. And yeah, I mean, it's crazy. Look at these case prices. Why? Because basically people are going for this chase card, and this card alone is $2,000 right now. So it's just insane what's going on with the market. So let's dig in, guys. I would be getting most of the cards you need sooner rather than later. Yes, honestly, I expect a cool down in prices, a cool down in the markets as supply continues to come in. I mean, there's going to get to a point where most people, even if they paid a premium for it, already have what they need. They have their starter decks already, even though if they paid high prices, they have the cards that they need. So, I mean, these sellers are going to start to compete to continue to get sales. We do see the walls of China coming in, the supply shock coming in under $200 for these boxes. But at the same time, the demand is still at all-time highs, guys. For this particular box, just wanted to provide you guys with this update just in case you're looking to grab a box yourself, guys. So again, I closed it, my bad, guys. The theme of today is get the cards you need sooner rather than later. Just something that I would do. Let's say I'm playing Gohan, I'm playing green, it's a meta right now. I wouldn't be waiting around for a card like this. If I can get it at 200s, man, 200s or sub $200, maybe at locals a D or something, I would try and grab this. I would get this sooner rather than later. It's a leader. It's an alternate art leader, the one that is being most used in the meta right now. I mean, the demand is going to be there. It's a one-of, but at the same time, everyone that plays green, everyone that plays the deck, they're going to want their alternate art shiny cardboard. Why? Because they're not going to want, you know, the common. I mean, who wants to play a common leader? Come on now. But these prices are elevated. Look, you have a play set here, 4 listings, then 250s, then 300s, then gone. One page only, guys. Me, I would make the sacrifice. That's just me. But again, none of this content is official financial advice. It's for entertainment purposes only. If I would be playing this, I wouldn't wait, man. I would try and get these at 200s, maybe locally, or just come in, pay a premium, and get access to this beautiful, fresh off the press leader that everyone else wants as well. And we have Son Goku. This one actually has been going down in price lately, barely holding on to the triple digi mark. Alternate art as well. Beautiful, beautiful. I ordered mine around these prices. I just ordered one. I might need a couple more, but at the same time, you know, I just wanted some exposure to the card. But it's good. I mean, me, I'm thinking about it. I just need to establish how many am I gonna need and things of that nature for my deck list. Because 12 listings only, yeah, you're like, oh, Jay, this is at $100. It's cheap, it's going down. Yeah, the walls are at 115s, but after that, it's 150s to 200s, man. Only 2 pages down here. The demand is coming in. People are buying, you know, the amount that they need, and the demand is there. It's an extremely difficult card to get. It's a beautiful alternate art, and people like me playing red, we're gonna want this card. So yeah, I mean, right now at $100, I think this is a deal. Can we see sub triple digis into the double digi range? It's possible, but honestly, at this mark for alternate art, a battle card like this that is hard to get, is Goku, is iconic, I would be getting your copies sooner rather than later. That doesn't mean that it can't go down from here. That doesn't mean that you can go into the double digis and maybe grab a couple of deals, but all in all, I believe this is a good average pricing right now. Then we have Son Gohan, same deal, around triple digis, barely holding that. Another one that has been going down as well as of late, from the $123, $125 area down to $100 for this card. Beautiful artwork, beautiful card. It's green. People play it. The demand is there. And again, for most of these cards, yes, we're going to get a re-wave. We expect further sell pressure. That's true. Most of these card prices, they can continue going down as that supply shock comes in. But for the long term, if you're playing the deck, I would come in. I would just grab what you need, because you never know if a card like this V-shape recovers. It's not going to get too much easier to get overall. But man, we're talking about just getting access to the card. I'm not talking about buying like multiple play sets and investing into this. No, I'm talking about if you need it. Out like me, I'm getting everything I need. Yeah, I might be paying a premium on some things. Maybe some of those cards that I'm paying for right now will go down in the next week, 2 weeks, maybe a month or two. But after that second re-wave comes, that's it. It's a wrap. Most of these cards will be impossible to get. The Awaken Pulse boxes will be extremely hard to get. So you want to make sure that you're in early. Early, I'm not talking about, Jay, but we're getting a re-wave, so it's best to wait for the re-wave. That's fine. If that's your strategy, that's okay. But I'm talking about after the re-wave, after the next set 2 comes out. These cards are going to be impossible to get, and they most of these will appreciate in price, guys. We have Son Goku, not the alternate art. Used to be 47s, bumping up to 55s. You see the demand is coming in. 17 listings. People that want to play red here, willing to pay even $60 for this card. So right there, $50 to $55. I believe it's a great entry price if you want to play a card like this. It looks beautiful. It's hard to get. It's been lower in price, but now it's bumping up. So again, if you're playing red and you would need this card, I wouldn't be sitting around and waiting for it to continue going up. Then same deal, Son Gohan Childhood. This, wow, look at this volatility from 50 all the way up to 55, down to 50. I mean, just a lot of volatility. But right now, $45, that's not bad. You have a couple here listed at under 50s, around 45s. That's not bad. Not bad. 16 listings. The supply is coming in. But the demand will continue to remain strong. So for this card, if you need it, if you're playing green, if you're playing this battle card, I would come in and get it sooner rather than later. Same for Son Goku alternate art. This is the 3-drop right there. Same deal. Look at that, $25. That's cheap, man. That's cheap. This card was 40 to 50s the other day. Of course, supplies coming in, but only 13 listings. Don't forget, these are alternate art cards. The demand is going to be there. They're way harder to get than the regular counterparts. So you want to keep these in mind. This will be 30s before you know it, most likely. This is just some people trying to, they pulled the box. They're not playing. I mean, they're open the box. They pulled this. They're not playing red. They just want to move on, take profits, and live to fight another day. Here we have the regular version of the same card, around 8 billies. That's not bad. 29 listings, sub $10. That's good. You have a 5 wall here. I already ordered my copies, so I'm good. But yeah, people playing red, they're going to need this card. It's just really good. It's a self-awakener, and I like it, man. A 3-drop, 25K. That is not bad. That is not bad, guys. I like it, man. Your boy likes it. Make sure you get your copy sooner rather than later. Alternate arts like this, I love it. Look, I saw this card in person. Wow, the pink, it looks nice with the pink background. Ooh, that looks nice, man. Around 26, 27 billies. This is a steal, man. If you can get this deal at $25 around locals, whatever, pick it up. 19 listings. It's an alternate art. Looks beautiful. Me personally, after I'm done with red, I have it set up. I'm gonna come and build blue, because I believe no one's paying attention to this deck. And once set 2, set 3 comes out, you never know. The meta shifts, then blue is meta, and all of these cards spike up. So I'm gonna build this deck just to get access to it. But this card, beautiful, man. Trunks, future Trunks, don't sleep on it. Then we have Vegeta. This one's actually dumping down in a sense. Used to be 15s, pumped up to 30s, now back down into the low 20s, maybe into the teens. Again, take advantage of this. If you're playing green, only 20 listings. If you need this card, as a lot of people do, the supply shock is here, but you want to make sure that you pick these up, at these lower prices before a possible respike. Then we have some starter deck cards, moving on up. Used to be 5 billies, pushing on up to 6s and beyond. Just the demand is coming in, 11 listings. A lot of people, that I want to play red obviously need these, and people maybe can't get the starter deck, so they're just coming in for singles, and you can clearly see that reflected in this parabolic chart right there. Same for Son Gohan. Used to be 5s, pushing 6s as well. So yeah, what I'm trying to say, and most of these starter deck cards are moving on up, from Broly, from red, from blue, from green, from purple. Wait, Jay, there's no purple. Guys, you want to make sure that you get the cards that you need sooner rather than later, especially these singles, as they're all spiking up in price because people can't get the starter decks in their hands, so they're coming in to get the cards that they need, and that's smart. I would be doing the same. And lastly, we have wait, that says Son Goku. Okay, yeah, right there, Son Goku right here with the big fat cell in the background, right there for green. Used to be 3 billies, spiking up here a little bit. You have a couple of deals here, but then the card is 5 billies, guys. 26 listings. you guys want to make sure that you get everything you need. Get everything you need sooner rather than later that you need to play. I'm not talking about investing because the markets are volatile and, you know, a lot of things can spike, but they can also dump. We got to let the markets consolidate in the next couple of weeks, next couple of months. But if you need something like to play, to finish your deck, I wouldn't be sitting around as your boy isn't. You know, I'm trying to make things happen. Because yeah, we don't do that. We get what we need so we can live to fight another day. Guys, don't forget, link in the description down below. You want to come over here, take advantage of the $15 credit. You can get anything DBS related, $15 off, guys. Man, the internet's not helping right now. Make sure you click the link in the description down below and get access to $15 off credit on the Whatnot platform right there, so you can get anything DBS Fusion World related. Guys, if you made it this far out into the video, man, you guys are the straight MVPs. Thank you so much for your time, for your support, for your attention. Stay fresh.